Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Google Drive slow upload speed. So the first method to do is to go and open your Play Store, or if you are using App Store you just go and open App Store. Then you search for Google Drive and you will find it here, and make sure that you have the last update for the app. If you find any update you need to do it to make sure that Google Drive is up to date. And if you are using iPhone you can just update, and if you can't see any update you can just go to the settings, offload the application and reinstall it again. Then what you are going to do is to go and open your settings. Then you are going to choose battery option, and this method works for both for Android and iOS. You open your battery and you make sure to disable the power saving or the power mode. Make sure it is unchecked because this may affect the upload speed. And the last thing to do is to make sure that you are not connected to any VPN. You need to close any VPN is open to your phone, and to check your internet speed, try to turn off the Wi-Fi and turn it again, and if the same problem, just try to use the mobile data. Maybe it will solve the problem. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.